Hello folks, I am back with yet another room tour for you guys, starting with the washroom. Today I am at ZOSTEL Panchgani and you can take a look at this washroom. It's an open to sky washroom and you can just see the breeze. So you get the shower and shampoo and an indoor rain shower as well. And here is the room. So this one is a deluxe room with a private outdoor patio. Pretty aesthetic room with couple of utilities. You get a fridge, some more cutleries. The wardrobe space is pretty much equipped. You get a ironing board and an iron as well. A safe, some slippers to wear, and then this is the huge, humongous view of the valley. And this is your bed. You get this private outdoor patio. You can hear the silence of the valley and nature. And that's me.